Today in this 2014 Ford van, we're going to review and install the CURT Class IV 2-inch receiver hitch, part number 14055. Alright, this is what the hitch looks like when it's installed in the van. As you see, the whole assembly does sit below the bumper. It's constructed out of square tubing. This is our 2-inch receiver opening right here, and does have a built-in reinforcement around here, helps strengthen the end of the tubing. Go further in, we have a 5/8 of an inch hitch pin hole, which is industry standard. So let's work with regular conventional hitch pin or your favorite locking hitch pin. We look on the bottom here, it has a steel plate and it has cutouts for your safety hooks. So this will work with a wide variety of safety hooks out there. It goes up to the frame brackets right here, where it goes up into the frame of the vehicle. This does come with all the provided hardware needed to install, and also it uses existing holes in the frame. So in this application, no drilling was required. Now you can see our spare tire works just fine with the hitch as well. Alright, now we'll go ahead and cover some of the capacities of the hitch. This will take 1,000 pounds of downward force on the hitch, and this will also pull 10,000 pounds just as it is. Now when you add a weight distribution assembly, the tongue weight of the hitch goes up to 1,200 pounds, and the pull capacity goes up to 12,000 pounds. Now you always want to double check with your owner's manual to make sure that your vehicle can handle these kinds of loads as well. Next, we'll go ahead and give you some measurements that will help you out in selecting some accessories, such as a ball mount, a bicycle rack, or a cargo carrier. From the center of a hitch pin to the edge of the bumper is going to be about 1¼ inches. This hitch pin hole is actually away from the bumper sticking out. Also, from top of the receiver opening down to the ground is going to be about 18 inches. Alright, now I'll go ahead and show you how we install the hitch. Okay, first part of our install is to actually get our van ready to install the hitch. That means lowering the spare tire either out of the way for now and put it up when you're done, or what we did is actually loosen it, push it as far forward as we can, and then tighten it back up. Next, we'll go ahead and point at locations where the hitch attaches to the frame. Now we're looking at the driver's side frame. You see it has a variety of slots, but it's going to use these two and this one going towards the front of the van. This is going to be the same on both sides of the van. Into these holes we install the hitch hardware. Now all this hardware does come with the hitch. This carriage bolt will go into the block, and this assembly will go into the frame. That's it for our driver's side. It'll be the same thing on the passenger side. Now at this point, we can go ahead and lift our hitch in position. It's definitely a good idea to get an extra set of hands. We'll hold it up, we'll line up with the holes, and then we'll install the flange nuts. Now I'm doing the two front and rear ones for now. I'm leaving that one loose. We need to add a washer between the hitch and the frame. This comes with the hitch as well. All I'm going to do is just kind of pop it up, push the washer in, push the bolt back through, and add our flange nut. Same thing applies on the driver's side. Now to tighten down on hardware, we're going to need a 3/4 inch socket. And then we'll go ahead and torque the bolts down as specified in the instructions. And with that, that'll finish it for the CURT Class IV 2-inch receiver hitch, part number 14055 on this 2014 Ford van.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.